Oh, mother dear, your burden is so heavy to bear. In the depths of your despair, know that I am here. Though the world may seem so cruel and darkness fills the air, you're not alone, I'll hold you close, I'll show you that I care. She used to run a full household with love and joy abound, but fate dealt a cruel hand and turned her world around. Now she's left with memories, echoes of their laughter, yearning for